Alright, HVAC people, so today I am going to install an inline duct fan. It's really like an exhaust. It's at a dentist's office, and in the dentist's office they have this machine that it's kind of like a grill maker, or they kind of like molds your teeth. So if you was getting dentures or like a gold grill or gold tooth, it makes the molding for it. But this machine puts out a bunch of fumes, and they don't have a designated.
In a quarter mile, continue straight to stay on farm to market 1093 East.
They don't have a designated office for it, or space for it, so they actually have it in the office where people still have to work, where they have computers and stuff like that in, and it's not good for them to be inhaling.
Continue straight to
so it's not good for them to be inhaling all the fumes. So I was going to install like a traditional bathroom style exhaust, but kind of like how the guy made the custom cabinet. I'm gonna do an inline fan to correct the exhaust. So that's, like I say, that's my project today. Install the inline fan. So I'm gonna have to run a bunch of 4-inch duct and try to build this, and have it look professional. So as always, y'all, thanks for watching. That's my project for today. Install the inline duct fan. All right, folks, so this is some of the material I have a bag of 4-inch flex duct, 4-inch, that's probably about a 6 foot piece, 5 foot piece maybe. Got some collars. This is my inline exhaust fan by Fantech, 4-inch. See it right there. I'll take it on the inside, kind of show you what I got going on. My molding machine, custom cabinet, so I put the inline duct fan right up in here. Start collar, that's a 4-inch hole. So I have to run duct all the way through here. It's gonna be up there. So I want to come out here. I think that's sheetrock. Yeah. Alright, so I had made me a scrap to hold my ductwork. Alright, so I got that installed. So now all I gotta do is get my flex and mount my flex. Alright, so it's gonna be my landing spot. Alright, HVAC people, so it's the next day. I have my electrician come. We ran power. We got us an on and off switch right here. And I'm gonna use the top T's and to find out what kind of exhaust we're getting. So I can hear it. No vibration. Sucking out pretty good. So this definitely a success. But I'm gonna try to be quiet because they're in the lunchroom eating. But I'm gonna see what kind of feet per minute we're getting with the top T's. Anybody want to purchase this? The link will be in the description below. Just a quick test, see if you're getting any kind of airflow. So there you have it, folks. See, we get plenty of airflow. So this is a molding machine, and it used to bring out a lot of fumes on the inside, and people were still trying to work here. So this right here will allow it to be. But you got a sign on it. Well, I didn't get to it. Thanks for watching.